Hi, Captain Prem Asim reporting on the ship. This is the Lexington ship, a warship. You could see all the equipments, and that is the view. You could see the runway, and then you could see the fighter plane, Navy fighter plane, which Maverick flies. It's F-14 plane, Tomcat, from Top Gun movie. And then this is my seat. I sit here and then look at the things, give instructions, and that is where I control the ship from. This is all control panel. This is the runway, and those are all the planes. So this is a runway on the ocean.